So, hey everyone. First of all, I'd love to thank you for watching this whole whiteboard case study. And in this case study, you will see my approach, the problem that I face as a designer, and from the research insights to incorporate that insight into a product is another difficult and challenging things for me. And also, you're gonna see my design decisions and how the design decision can help the users' needs and help to generate revenue by achieving some KPIs. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. So I will give you some context about the whole case studies. After that, you can understand very easily. So he is a product designer in the AVC company as a contractual base, and his name is D. Let's take his name as D, and let's assume the business called ABC. So why ABC will hire a product designer? Because the ABC business want to transforming their offline business into online. And who is the ABC business? The ABC business is an enterprise wholesale company in the construction sector, and they have their own offline business. That's why they hire product designer, right? So this responsibility is to do a market research, finding the gaps between different users and finding a pain points of the business as well as the users, visualize the target audience very crystal clearly, and create a product that helps the business to grow online and channelize the different gateways. That's the responsibility that Deep have, and this is overall to designing an omni-channel design to channelize the different gateways, expand their business. So let's see in the next scenario.